Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to find what people are actually searching for before creating your TikTok content, today's video is going to change that. I'm going to show you how the Keywords Everywhere tool inside Tik Analyzer can help you uncover real search demand, validate your ideas, and create data-driven videos that get noticed. So, here's the deal. This isn't just another keyword tool. The built-in Keywords Everywhere integration connects directly with your paid API key, giving you instant access to accurate metrics like search volume, cost per click, and competition, all right inside Tik Analyzer. No more switching tabs or juggling spreadsheets. You can see everything in one clean, powerful dashboard. Once your API key is connected, you can pull keyword data by country and currency, choosing between Google Planner or the Planner Plus Clickstream dataset. You'll get a 12-month bar chart, monthly averages, and even a trend slope that shows whether interest is rising or falling. There's also a trending spike indicator that flags new surges, so you can catch hot topics before they peak. What I really love is how interactive it is. You can double-click to zoom into any chart, export the data as a CSV or text file, or even save it as an image for quick reference. Sorting and filtering make it easy to find your top-performing ideas, and once you've found those winners, you can send them directly to the hashtag, user, or video tools to plan your next post. With the Keywords Everywhere tool inside Tik Analyzer, you're not guessing anymore, you're creating with precision. So if you want to build smarter, trend-driven content that hits right when the audience is looking, this is the tool you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.